It's something we're very proud of, something we're very excited about. Our partnership with ITF is strong. As you'd know, we've been having ITF junior tournaments for the past couple of years, maybe 6 each year. We're now starting with the ITF men's futures, followed by the ITF women's futures. So it's fantastic all around. It gives our local players the opportunity to hone their skills against some of the best players in the world. It gives them the opportunity to earn invaluable world ranking points right here in Jamaica. And it's a win-win for the country as well. We're expecting over 150 people coming into the island each of the 3 weeks, many of whom have never visited Jamaica before. So it's sports tourism at its best, and again, it's something that we're very excited about.
It's great, obviously. It's the first pro event here for many years, as you said. So, you know, for me, it's been my first pro event. So, I mean, yeah, I just out there training hard, you know, trying to get ready for it. And, you know, I'm just going to focus on my game, just try to put out my best performance. And, yeah, we'll see where it goes.
First and foremost, I put in the work. And I just have to go out there and trust that me putting in the work will be good enough to at least take me through a couple of rounds. So let's see what happens tomorrow in qualies.
Had a very good college season. Won a lot of matches and didn't really lose that much. So it built up my confidence a lot, and it prepared me for this summer because like this is what I was building towards. These tournaments and also Davis Cup. And some more tournaments later down in the summer. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to what's next.